Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Squaretron. My name is Darshadak and in this video we are going to be solving CSS Battle hash number 30. So first, what is CSS Battle? CSS Battle.dev is a website where you can learn CSS by competing in battles. There is also courses of how to learn CSS, but they are paid. There's a beginner course, an intermediate course, and a pro course. The intermediate and pro course have not come out when I'm creating this video, so only the beginner course is available right now when I'm uploading this video. So that is the only course you can use. So let's get started with making CSS Battle number 30. Okay, so let's get into it. This is the target what we are going to be trying to attempt. This is CSS Battle 30. We are going to be trying to attempt the Horizon Battle. So let's get started. This is what we have to make, the image, and this is what our code is. So let's get started. I have removed the boilerplate code that the website provides because it's absolutely no use. So let's give the div, make 3 divs, as yellow is one div, orange is one div element, pink is the background color of the page. So if we set the background, the yellow, orange and purple will overwrite it. But if you don't put anything at pink, it will stay pink. So that will automatically appear. But then purple for a div. So let's give the divs classes of, one should be yellow, copy that down, one should be orange, copy that down, and one should be purple. So let's get started with the CSS. Since we have our elements ready, let's put the style tag, and let's start by giving the body's background color. The body's background color is going to be pink, so let's put that in. And now if you go to the difference, what the difference does is it shows you how much you have done and how much is pending. So what it does here is what and all you have made already, it will show up as a black color, and what and all you haven't made is showing up as any other color. It won't show up as the same color. As you see, yellow is coming up as a shade of green, and then orange is coming up as a shade of forest green, and purple looks like brown. So then let's start by customizing yellow. Let's begin. Yellow will have the background of this, paste that in, and then it'll have the width of 100%. 100% because we need it to cover this entire area. If you give it an 80, I'll show you. Let's just leave it as 80, I'll show you what happens. Then put it as a height. Height will be 50 pixels. Looks like it. See, if you give it as 80%, we'll just cover 80% of the page. We need it to cover the full 100%. So now, but you see there's small gaps at the edges. We can fix that by adding something called margin and remove all margin in the document. So that's done. And now if you look at the difference, you see that two colors are done, yellow and then pink. So what's next? Let's try and do orange next. I'm just going to copy this down. Just change this yellow class to orange. And now we see that something in the next line has appeared. So we'll just change this to orange. So we have finished yellow or orange, pink. Now we have only purple left. So let's do that next. Let's target the purple div. And now let's give it a background of this. Paste it. And then let's give it again a width of 100%. And a height of 100 pixels. 100 pixels because it is these two combined are to form this pink, the height of pink. So this is 50 is 100. So let's give that a position. This is coming up here. So what we can do is we can either change the colors of the background and the div. We can interchange the colors of the background of the div or position it. I'm going to do the position because I want to teach you that. So let's do that. Give the body not the body. Next, let's target the purple class. Inside that, give it a position absolute. The position absolute, what it does, it allows you to adjust the top, left, right and bottom. So if I give it a left of 20%, it'll move 20% to the left, but we don't need that. So what we can do is, we can just put it at top of, it looks like 75%. No, it's not. So how about 65? It looks like 66.5. Yeah, that's exactly it. So now you see the whole screen has gone black. That means you have completed the entire target. Let's see how much score you get. A full 100%. And as you see, I have already attempted this battle before and gotten a higher score than what we just got right now. You can get higher score if you reduce the number of characters in this. For example, if I remove all the indent in this, it's a mess, and I don't recommend this for actual websites. And if you submit this now, see, a percentage will increase. So, but it's very messy, so it makes the code look unneat. So I suggest leaving it like this. Okay. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I will catch you in the next video. Bye.